Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, boys. Today I'm so excited to tell you guys that there is finally a payment gateway here in Dubai where you can add it to your Shopify or WooCommerce store with just your ID card, and it literally takes 4 minutes. There's no extra fees, there's no hidden charges or anything like that. And I'm just excited to tell you guys about this. So the payment gateway is called Ziina. Now, of course, before you guys go and sign up for it, the link is down in the description. You guys will get exclusive offer of 7,000 dirhams without any charges into your account. And also you will get a lot of other benefits such as VIP customer support. So they're actually gonna offer my students at Hustlers Ecom VIP support, which means they're gonna answer you quick and make sure you get the most amount of support. The other benefit is that it literally takes 1 to 2 days for the money to come to your bank. So literally if someone pays on your Shopify store, it literally takes 1 to 2 days for you to receive the money, which is crazy good, guys. And the best part, it's completely free, guys. There's no charges for sign up or anything like that. Now once you go on the app, of course it asks you for your Emirates ID. That's a quick and easy step. All you have to do is literally scan your front and back side of your Emirates ID, and then you have to scan your face. After you're done with that step, it literally comes to the last part, which is you integrating your Ziina account with your Shopify store, which I'm just gonna jump into my computer and show you guys. It's very simple and easy. You can either do it through computer, so I'm just gonna head onto my computer, do it on my computer and show you guys how easy it is. Alright boys, now I'll have this link down in the description. All you have to do is literally go to this site right here, apps.shopify.com/Ziina. Now Ziina isn't available just as a search button. All you have to do is literally click on open app. First you have to add it to your store. I've already done that, so I'm just gonna click on open app. Right here it's gonna ask me for mobile number, which I signed up with through the link, and all I have to do is literally put my mobile number, click on next. Now I will receive a code on my mobile phone, so I'm just gonna type it down right here, 448284. So yeah, allow Shopify to connect your Ziina account. So this is how simple and easy it is. Accept and open Shopify. So yeah, all I have to do is literally click on activate Ziina. Now it says active. Guys, literally a dream of a dropshipper and e-commerce guys to have a payment gateway like this, like Ziina. Now there's so many more benefits. I'm just gonna list it down or show you guys on the screen. They're literally a game changer. Not to forget, guys, Ziina is actually here in Dubai, and of course Dubai is the safest country on earth. So I have 100% trust on Ziina, as you guys should, inshallah. Make sure you do a test purchase. Put your product as 5 or 10 dirham. Go and do an Apple Pay real quick, like an Apple Pay checkout on your store, to make sure that your store is actually accepting the payment and there's no issues. Even, God forbid, if you face any issues, Ziina will literally reply to you and get back to you the fastest that they can, because of course you signed up with my link. Yeah, it's one of the best payment gateways here in Dubai for all of my students. I'm actually so happy to announce this, and alhamdulillah, it has finally come true. If you guys have any questions, I would love to clear it up for you guys. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Make sure you sign up. Make sure you actually take advantage of Ziina. If you guys have any question, let me know, inshallah. See you guys in the next video.